Need to change songs on Capcut? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can easily change it. Start by moving into the application Capcut. Make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this home page. Once you're in this page, click on Template at the bottom of the screen. From here, choose any of the specific template that you want. Let me choose this one for now. Once you have selected the template, click on Use Template. From here, choose any of the specific video that you want to upload or edit. Let me choose from the favorite. Once you have selected, click on Next. Well, you can see that your video has been uploaded with the template that you have selected. If you want to change the audio, click on Audio at the bottom of the screen. Tons of different music and audio will be visible to you. If you scroll down, you'll get to see more. From here, you can choose any of the specific music or the audio that you want to. Or you can also click on Add Song right over here. You can select the music from your files, TikTok, and also from the saved. Choose whichever option you want to and then select the music. Let me select this one for now. Click on it. And then click on this plus icon right over here. There you can see that the audio or the music has been replaced. So this is simply how you can change the music on Capcut template. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.